Hello everyone, this is Dan Desktop Support and today is Monday, October 18, 2010. What am I gonna be teaching or putting information out there? So today I'm gonna show you guys how to use one single PC. If you have an old PC, you can upgrade it, put some memory in there, and then you can use it for a lot of stuff. So the main purpose of today's videos is that it's for small business owners or for a lab environment or for someone that just want to combine everything together and looking for a solution for IT solution. So what are we talking about today? Let me show you. Okay, how to manage everything from one PC. What I mean is, let's say for example you have 25 users and you have 25 computers and you have a internet connection, but you don't have tools or anything like that to share these 25 computers with each other, and it's how to manage them. So there's a free tool. We're going to be using 3 or 4 different tools combining in one PC, and then we're going to be working. That PC will be our master computer, which will be doing everything and trying to like control all the other 25 PCs or more than that. So what are we looking for? Our company name is going to be, we're going to be using this company Sample. This is our company name. So our Sample company has 25 computers, and what we need is, first we need a site, intranet site that we put our information out there, and then the second thing we will need is a help desk, a request system where when people have some problem they can send a request. I have a problem, and it's going to be one place where people will send their request, and then you will be the person or a desktop support or any IT guy that will look into these tickets and try to solve them. So what this software will do, it will give you a PC inventory, tools, reporting solution for it's a solution for a small business. It can be bigger than that. So what is this tool that we are talking about? It's called Spiceworks. This is one of the best software out there. I think it is the one of the best, so I would go for that. And it's open source, free. Nothing in this video will relate to any money, so it's everything $0. So this is what we're going to be working on. Then when we install this thing, we have this little site that people can go in there. We can put any information out there. We can do all that stuff. That's up on you. But our main purpose is to do a sample videos quickly so we can show people what you can achieve from one computer. Okay, so then second thing we'll need is a file sharing server. This is going to be another software that will make this computer act like a server, and then we will combine this file server into Spiceworks. So then you have a portal, but not only portal that people can see information, but they can upload and download information from that computer, whatever you want your employees or clients to download, or you can put restrictions out there. You can put usernames and passwords that will be more, that part will be restricted. So that's one of the best features in this two software that we're going to be combining. Then what we need is a monitoring software. There's a lot of teachers are using it, but you can use it for support, or you can use it as an IT admin or whatever. If you're a boss or you want to watch your employees what they're doing and they're working, you can use this software. You can also use this software for demos. That say you have a lot of you don't have projectors, and I know it's really expensive. They're like $1,000 or something like that. So you're working on this computer. From this computer you can show all your employees without getting out of their seat. You can show them whatever you want them to look at, or you can watch them live, you can monitor them, you can also remote control their PCs. This is what we're going to be working on. And then the last part will be a support software that will also be a server on same computer that will upload softwares that you don't have to go to that computer and send a message to the whole 25 computers. shut them down, log them off, whatever you want to do. And that's another very powerful software. We're going to be combining all these softwares together, and then we're going to be making one solution. The solution will be everything from one single PC, and you don't need any server, or you can have a server, but you can also run this on XP, Windows 7, or Windows 2008 server, or 2003. And I'm going to be using XP because a lot of people are using XP, and this videos might take a little, might be 2 or 3 or 4 steps, so it can be covered in one video. So this is what we're going to be working on, and after this you will be able to manage everything from this single PC. So let's just start right now. So you know what we're talking about. I'll just save it, so then I have this. Alright, the first thing you need to do is go to Google. Okay, once you're in Google, type Spiceworks and then enter. Once you enter, then just click on the official site right here. Once you click on the official site, you'll see this right here, manage everything, and this is going to be our software that will look into everything what's in our office and what licenses and everything. This will help you with that. So get 5.0 now, and this is download now. Once you click on download now, okay, so it says follow these 3 steps, so it'll just click on download now again, and you should see that your download should be starting right here. Okay, so it says the type of can harm, blah blah blah. It should ask you this question, then you just say save, and then your Spiceworks should be start downloading, and you can see the downloading rate is pretty slow. Now I see that Spiceworks is done, the exe file. I'll just click on it, and you might be using Firefox or Internet Explorer, so you have to see where you downloaded this exe, and just click on it, and you'll see this box right here, say 1, and it will start unpacking the data. Alright, so by default, if you're doing the Spiceworks for the first time, it should be 80. And another thing is that you should have a clean system when you're trying this whole setup. So the port 80 is if you're using something else on port 80, it will go to 8080, or it will pick another port. So don't worry about that if you are not 80. So click next, I accept, next, install, and then wait for it to install. Okay, now your Spiceworks setup is done. All you gotta do is install desktop shortcut and run, and just click finish. You can close this down, and then you'll see this right here, Spiceworks desktop, and it will start automatically now. Okay, once you see this, if you don't see it like automatically coming, you can just double click on it, and you'll see this little icon on your, and then you'll see Spiceworks should be starting up right now. Okay, now one other thing, that my computer name was different before. So let's say you're a company and your company name is Sample. You will change your name to this whatever you want, and then click OK, and then restart your computer, because whenever you want your user, they'll be using sample/portal to access this site over here. So before we do anything, we will just restart it, so we have this name Sample then. Alright everyone, we restarted our computer, so our computer name should be Sample now, and that is Sample right here. Okay, now let's restart our Spiceworks, and you will see the difference. You should see Sample, and then it's port 80.